Hey yo, what up people, this is your boy Jason Kicks, and today we're gonna do this video trying to bring back to life the leather of this Travis Scott Jordan 1s. As you can see, the leather is pretty much dead, but I have something that I found on Amazon and I want to show you because it's very useful for every sneakerhead. Look how dead this leather is. Just move a little bit, but it's pretty dead. I was using this brush and look how my other pair turns in. Look how buttery this leather feels. Look at the Nobuck, look at the Suede. This feels amazing. Very different from my other pair. You can see the light's not helping me so much right now, but you can see the difference between these pair and the other just using the brush that I'm about to show you in this video, guys. It's pretty good, very useful, as you are about to see. If you want to learn how to do this, just use this brush that I found on Amazon. I'm gonna leave you the link at the video description. No sponsor, just want to help you guys because this is very useful. It's a little dirty because I was doing the other shoe, that's the way they left it, but basically using this brush, this very useful brush, it's very cheap. It was only like $7. Using this, we can revive the suede on our sneakers. All you gotta do, guys, is find the spot. I mean, we're gonna do all the shoe and just brush the suede like this, and circles is the best way sometimes. That's the way I do it. Yeah, circles over like 15 seconds, something like that. You can count it 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Gotta be pretty much good after 15 seconds. It's very useful, guys. Every sneakerhead should have one of these brushes. Maybe there's some better ones in the market, but this is very cheap but very good and useful. Look at this, just magnificent. And this was only a little bit. You can do it way better with your own time. This is sick. This is one of the best items for the sneakerhead. Brush, circle over and over. This is very useful, guys. Very useful. I really in love with this. But look at this. Look at this. The leather is back to life. I love this. I love this. Let's bring this back to life. Brush. Circle. What's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. I think I overpassed. But just go with your time. Do what you gotta do. It's very easy to do, and the sneaker look totally different. Very good. I'm really working this one because I really wanted to make them look. Don't worry about the Wings logo. The Wings logo is gonna be good. It's not gonna destroy the Wings logo. So I'm basically telling you. Sometimes I use this side. That's why it's dirty. But look, you can see the difference already. Imagine if you work this more, because I'm just doing this right quick for this video with this beautiful and magnificent brush. With this magnificent brush, just crazy. Let's do this area too, so you can see and tell how good this is. I should put the shoe tree inside of the sneaker, but look, that was just a little bit, and already look the difference. This is magnificent. Very useful, guys. And this is how the sneaker is gonna look up when you end up brushing your shoe. You already can tell the difference. This is one of the best items. I just wanted to show you this to let you know that this is out there if you didn't know. Very useful on Amazon. That's only $7, guys. $7. One of the best and most useful items for sneakerheads. So go into the comment section, guys, and let me know your opinions about this magnificent brush. This was your boy Jason Kicks, bringing you some sneaker items for the sway of your sneaker. Go and hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Remember, share, subscribe, activate the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and till the next one, goodbye.